Welcome back everyone, Mike here. It is just a beautiful frosty fall morning here in western Pennsylvania. It doesn't get much better than it is right now. Now I have a bunch of things that I want to do today. Actually some things that I want to do and some things that I need to do. What I need to do is go get some fuel for the tractors. I'll do that later on. I need to blow some more leaves. They're falling like crazy now. But I want to go cut some firewood, and maybe this evening I want to go do some deer hunting. So that's kind of what's on the agenda for today. But this video right here, what we're going to do today, I have that Stihl MS 362 chainsaw, and a while back, I think it was in July or August, when I first got that saw, I did a video comparing it to the old 036 Pro to see which one was faster. I think the title of that video was, you know, new saw or 25-year-old saw versus new saw, something like that. I'll put that up above here. Now the 362 at that point was noticeably quicker and cut faster than the 036 Pro. I mean, the 036 Pro is 25 years old, but it's been a great saw. Now, a lot of people talk about, you know, breaking in your chainsaw, and after 5 or 10 or even 15 tanks of fuel, it'll start running much, much better. Well, I have noticed, you know, a big difference in the 362. It ran good, you know, from day one, but it just kept getting better and better. Now, I think it kind of leveled off, but just, you know, saying that and being able to quantify it are two different things. So what I thought I'd do today while I'm cutting some firewood is do another video to compare the two saws after the break-in. I have probably, I don't know, 15 tanks of fuel through the 362 at this point, and so I'll set up all the conditions just like they were at the last one, and we'll see how it goes. So first off, let me show you a clip from that video that I was talking about comparing the 362 to the 036 Pro. That was back in July or early August, something like that, when I first got the 362. You can see in that video, the 362 was noticeably faster than the 036. It didn't beat it by a whole bunch, but it was definitely quicker. So next up, I'm going to go down and cut a little bit of firewood, and then we'll do the same test again here in a little bit. I put a brand new bar and a new chain on the 036. I had that bar laying in the garage. My old one, it's not too good a shape. I still may be able to get it cleaned up. I haven't given up hope on it. But if you watch the test I did on testing chainsaw chaps with the 036 Pro, I'll put that up above here. Not only does those fibers get all, you know, bound up in the sprocket on the saw, but it also bound up on the bar on the tip, and the sprocket on the tip. I still may be able to salvage it, I'm not sure, but I had a new bar, so I just threw it on. New chain, and after I cut a little bit of firewood with the 362, I'll put a brand new chain on it as well, and it'll be a fair test exactly like we did it last time, and we will see, you know, just how much faster that saw got after its break-in period. Alright, here's the log we're going to be using for this test. It's a 15-inch diameter cherry. I'm going to use the 036 first, but I think this time what I'm going to do is make 2 cuts. I'll go down with one, up with another one, and then we'll try the MS 362, and then I'll put both those videos together, do like a side-by-side comparison like I did at the beginning of this video, and I believe we should see a noticeable increase in speed in the MS 362 after the break-in period, but we'll see. Now the MS 362. Seem faster. So when running both saws, I can definitely tell the 362 is faster than the 036. And I also think it is much faster than when I first did this test back in July or August. And like I said, I put maybe 15, 18 tanks of fuel through it so far. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go up to the house, dump these memory cards into my editing software. I'll do a side-by-side comparison and we'll see just how different it is from before. But before I do that, I want to mention Woodstack 2018. This morning I checked, there's been about 800 people that have voted so far. Check that video out. Please follow the instructions. Vote for all 4 categories. Very simple. Check it out, and that goes until this Saturday at midnight, and we'll put a video out on Sunday with all the winners. So good luck to everybody. Seem faster. Well, there you have it. I think I can say without a doubt the MS 362 is definitely much faster than it was when I first got it after I ran 15 or 18 tanks of gas through it. There is definitely a break-in period, and when everything kind of gets set in and it just gets in its groove, and it is way faster now than when I first got it, and I was impressed with it then. So I'm really happy now. Also, don't forget, Woodstack 2018. Check that video out. Please vote. The voting will end Saturday at midnight. And like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.